before?
I have tried mooncake, yes, and I do enjoy it once in a while. You got to get them fresh. I like to get them fresh. I think probably the green tea.
The green tea.
The green tea one is my favorite one. But I tell you what, they're really filling, and they fill you up, so you can't eat too much, or you're going to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, and also
at the end.
too sweet.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
They're great.
I'm not even sure what goes in them, to be honest. I guess there's one that's got some kind of bean paste in it. I think that's quite nice. Yeah, I usually buy them for my mother and father-in-law. They're not really for myself, because we have something kind of similar looking where I'm from in the north of England, but instead of them being sweet, they're really savoury. So they've got like meat and potatoes in them. We call them pies. And where I'm from, there are pies everywhere. So that's kind of what I prefer. I'm not really used to them tasting sweet.
Yeah, every year my students always bring me tons of mooncakes. Actually, my fridge has like 3 or 4 mooncakes already, and I can't eat it enough because my students keep bringing me mooncakes.
Yeah, but you know that we have different flavors in mooncake.
Yeah, different colors. I'm not sure about the flavors, but I know it has a kind of jellyish type of flavor to it.
Wow.
Yeah, and like orange, and I'm not certain about the flavors, but I tried many mooncakes over the years.
I think they're okay. I mean, for someone who's grown up on chocolate cakes and sponges and croissants and pastries, mooncakes are slightly different. I mean, it's a bit strange having meat and eggs in a cake. So it's a different taste. I like them, but in kind of small doses. I have to admit, I'm addicted to chocolate. So if I have to choose between chocolate cake and mooncake, it's an easy choice for me. Chocolate every time. So.
By far, coconut. I like it with the coconut filling, or second favourite, red bean paste.
I think probably one of the ones with like coconut in. So I've had many different ones, right? Some of which I don't even know what they are in English. There's one which is like gum or something. But yeah, honestly, probably the sweeter ones with like coconut. I think one of my students decides to give me a mooncake, I will definitely eat it.